everyone, welcome back to our channel English Up by Lakshmi. How are you all? I hope all are doing great. Yeah, today our topic is how to manage our time, and because of that our guest is Sayan Das again. And thank you, but thanks a bunch, Sayan. You are again and again you are coming on my YouTube channel. Thank you for that. And please introduce about yourself.
Sure, ma'am. Hello, very good afternoon to everyone. This side is Shayan addressing to all of you from Tripura. Ma'am, normally I pursued my BTech in the year 2020 from Civil Department, and at the moment I'm a job seeker, and my main motive is to enroll for a government job. So you know what, I'm just trying forward to crack few competitive exams so that I will be able to enroll for such higher jobs. That's it. And thank you so
Yeah,
much.
glad to hear, Sayan. Yeah, today our topic is how to manage our time.
Okay,
How to
ma'am.
prepare a timetable for a particularly students.
Yes, this topic is really amazing, and I do believe that when people they will be able to see the video, then you know what, they will be able to get know, they will be able to know many such things, that how we will be able to save our time, how we will be able to utilize our time in a proper way, in a very much professional way, everything. So how we will be able to save our time, everything we will be able to discuss right over here in this video. I'm eagerly waiting.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ma'am,
Now, how do
actually,
you prepare your timetable? How to manage your timetable?
ma'am, firstly, you know what the thing is, that you have to, you have to think of, like, suppose today when you will wake up in the morning, today you will have to think that, you know what, whatever I have to do, fine, whatever my, yeah, fine, like, my study, household work, any such thing, fine, gossiping with friends, any such thing, fine, how, at what time, what work we will do, fine, because you know what, if we will not set any such proper time, then what will happen exactly, then we will not be able to figure out that in this time we will have to do this work. So for this, one table you will have to make, that
Ex-
in this time I will wake up in the morning at this time. Then I will freshen up myself. Then I will take my morning snacks. Then I will go for study, or I will go for tuition or workouts, whatever it is. Fine. Then accordingly, suppose workout, study or tuition for 1 or 1.5 hours. After that, just do according to your timetable. Fine. Then take your morning snacks at this time. Then you know what, for an activity or whatever else you will do, just work accordingly to your timetable. It's very much important to make your timetable. That's it.
Exactly, exactly. Sayana, after lockdown, time is going like a very fast. It's very it's going like a super fast, right? Just we are staying at home. That too unknowingly time is passing. But sometimes we have to make sacrifice our time also for
Yes.
entertainment, for wasting our time, for making fun like this. Instead of that making for entertainment purpose, instead of that we will use our time in a productive way by
Yes.
doing something, reading something, listening something, by improving ourselves.
Yeah.
That is
Actually,
it.
ma'am,
Yeah.
at time, suppose a couple of years ago, while I was pursuing my BTech, my time was completely in a very much professional way. Like, waking up in the morning at around 6 or 6:30 in the morning, then freshen up myself, and then to take my morning snack at within 7 a.m. Then, if go for study or do some workouts for 1 or 1.5 hours. After this, then then take your shower, then take your morning snacks, whatever you have, then rush for your college at around 9:20 or 9:30. Fine.
Yes.
So while I was pursuing my BTech, at that time my total time from day to night was completely in a very much professional way. But now, after being pursued for my BTech, now you know what, I'm trying to set my time, but to some extent I have been able, but to some extent still I'm trying to figure out that, yeah, how I will be able to utilize my time. Fine. Like and you know what, it's a very bad habit to go in a casual, like waking up in the morning at 8 8 o'clock or 8:30. So whatever the free time you will be having, utilize your free time in a very productive way, in a very creative way, so that it will be very much beneficial for you and your family. I think it's
Exactly.
very much yeah.
Yeah, whenever you woke up, early morning, like 4 o'clock, then like just we are sometimes we will wake up early morning, and sometimes we will wake up 7, 6 o'clock. That like
Yeah.
2 hours difference is will effect in our whole day.
Hmm.
If you woke up early, then you will do works like no very fast, and you will do like you will learn something. If
Hmm.
you woke up lately, that like that late hours will affect in our whole day. That too, we are not doing like our time is not sufficient for our works.
Obviously. And ma'am, you know what? People always say that, yeah, I won't have any such time. I'm completely unable to figure out my time. So one thing I would like to add over here, see, for every person, for me also, for you, for the Prime Minister, for every person, 24 hours is allotted for everyone. No more,
Exactly.
no less. So the thing over there is that you can create, you know, you can find time. Time can never be found. You have to create your own time. Fine.
Yeah.
That's the main thing. Suppose you know what now as if I'm making a video with you. Fine. So I have been able to figure out that yeah now this time is convenient for me. Now I can make a video with Lakshmi ma'am. So
Yeah.
now it's a convenient time for me. So I will have to figure out maybe for 10 minutes, maybe for 15 minutes. I will have to figure out a time. That is the thing that you know by myself I will have to figure out that this is my free schedule. So without utilizing my free schedule in a very much negative way, I will have to utilize my free schedule in a creative way, in a very much productive way, to improve of myself or for the improvement of my family or my time. That's it.
Exactly, exactly, Sayan. Sayan, I have a doubt, like in my mind all time, like if we prepare the timetable, like
Hmm.
is it possible to follow the timetable in our life?
Ma'am, if we want, then it's possible. That
Okay.
is a suppose you know what today I took an oath that I will prepare a timetable and from tomorrow onwards, when I will woke up from my bed, then by seeing the timetable accordingly, I will work. Fine. But the main thing is that you know what if I will make my mindset completely clear that
Yeah.
yeah I will have to follow this because if I will not follow, I will not be able to utilize my time in a very much proper way. Then only it's possible. Else, if I will think that no, yeah, I will not be able to set my time, what will happen by following this time table? Okay, I have prepared my time table, no matter what. So let my timetable go like this. I will you know what I will utilize my time like the way I want. Then it's of no use. You have to create
Exactly.
a that is the main thing.
Exactly, Sayan. Like unknowingly, like you and me, like all persons, like unknowingly, whenever you just, you watch some for a fun or for entertainment, unknowingly we will waste our time. For instance, we will go, like no, in social media, like Facebook, Instagram, like
Hmm.
YouTube, or like no, just like not only YouTube, just we are not, use our productive time. Unknowingly, we waste our time, like particularly, social media. If you see like like to watch that like reels or something like a social media, definitely we will waste our time. Instead of that, we will waste our time. If you learn something in a productive or fruitful way, we learn our subjects like 100%, and we will learn whatever we don't know, we will learn everything.
Obviously,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah, that is a like management, like time management is very important for every like for every person. Particularly students are very very important. It's a like no mandatory thing for that like no students.
One more thing I would like to add up here is that you know what, if you will create your proper timetable and if you will be able to follow this accordingly, na, then what will happen? You know what? You will be able to change your life also. You will be
Exactly.
able to change your life. Fine. Like, you know what? Now, as if I will talk about me, like my timetable at the moment is, it's very much in a zigzag way. No
Yeah,
professionalism, no nothing. Fine. But
exactly.
afterwards, if I will create a proper timetable, like, you know what, at this time I will do this, at this time I will do that, then what will happen? Accordingly, if I will be able to follow it, if I will open my timetable book, and I will see that whatever the work is there, and if I will go through it accordingly, then obviously, you know what, I will be able to change my life also in a very much professional way, because I have already set my time. Now it's my duty and it's my responsibility to go through it and to work accordingly, because you know what, every successful person or every professional person, maybe a doctor, a teacher, or a businessman, or a minister, any person, fine, they have their proper time schedule. That is the main thing. This like in this time they will utilize their time with their family. This time they will work. At this time they will attend any such meeting, any such seminar, any such, seminar, webinar. They have the proper time schedule. It's very much important. That's called punctuality. It's very much important.
Punctuality. Yeah, exactly, exactly. Punctuality is important. If you go to outside, like we will go to outside at that time, we will maintain like now our school times, our college times, our like wherever it may be. But right now we are staying at home. We are not following, and we are not disciplined manner. We are not following the punctuality and everything. That too,
Right.
for children nowadays, children, they are staying at home. They are not following, and are according like based on their children, like we as a parent, we are not also following. That management is not for instance, we have to give our time to our like family members, our time to like our education, our friends, our like some entertainment is also important in everyone's life, but we have to give particular time, but not all time, making fun or making like no just entertainment. Every for every work, for everything, like no we have to maintain our time, like time management is very very important. Like
And
already.
suppose, you know what, a student is studying in school or in college, whatever, fine. So he can say like, I won't have any such friends for playing or for entertainment purpose, fine. Because why? The person, he or she, has no such proper time management, proper time schedule, fine. Now,
Yeah.
suppose, you know what, if I will be able to set my time that for 2 hours from 7 a.m. or from 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 or 9 a.m. I will study, then I will go to my college, then it's a proper time schedule. And now, suppose, you know what, I won't have any college, I won't have any school, I'm only sitting in my home, then also I will be able to make a proper timetable. How? Like same from 7:30 to 8, or 7:30 to 9 or 9:30 I will study. Then I will take my morning snack at around 9:45 or 10. Then within 10 or within 10:15 I will be able to complete my morning snack. After that, suppose, you know what, now it's the time for one entertainment purpose. Then, either I will, I will play with my friends, or I will read a book, or I will play any such indoor or outdoor games, or I will move on with my friends for the hangout. So like, for every such thing, from the micro, from the any from the teen to the major, every proper time schedule is very very much. If there will be no such time schedule, then you know what, our time management, we will not be able to save our time, and we will not be able to utilize our time in a proper manner, in a very much professional way. That is the main thing.
Exactly, exactly. So, APJ Abdul Kalam sir, like he studied 18 hours or 17 hours. He did hard work in his life. It's not
Yeah.
possible for us, but at least we are trying, like reach that APJ Abdul Kalam sir, and that too, we have to manage our like, every people, like it's very famous in like early morning hours is better for reading, 4 to
Yeah.
6. No,
Yeah.
after 4 to 6 or 6 to, just to 7, like no ambulation, we will complete our ambulations. ablutions. After that, like just to take a breakfast 1 hour. It will take 1 hour. Then after again 9 to 5, you feel like right now we are staying at home. It's okay. But whenever you go to college at that time, 9 to 5 is the our college times, like school or college timings.
Yeah,
Then after 5 to 6, 1 hour, we will take look just to fresh up and everything, eat something. Then after
yeah,
6 to 7, 6 to up to 9 or 8 o'clock, we have to read something. Whatever we studied at our, like listen at our college, we have to read something. Then after just 1 hour, like it's a time take to, like a dinner time.
yeah. Ma'am, even though I used to do like this, like from 10 to 5, from 10 to 4, we used to have our class. Then
Yeah.
uh, it's the, it's the recess time. Our class is over. Then you know what? Our college bus will depart from our campus venue at around 5:30 or 5:45, and we will arrive to to my bus stop at around 6:15, 6:20, something like that. Fine. So you know what? That was a proper time schedule. Then come to the home, fresh up yourself, take your evening snacks, then go to the tuition, or if you want to have any such tuition, then you know what? Study in your own home. Then you know what? Then within 9 to 9:30, take your dinner, and within 10:30 or 11, take a sleep. Then again after in the morning, wake up. So that was a proper time schedule. So this
Exactly.
we have, and ma'am, what the main thing is that if we will be having a willpower that yeah, as if I'm a human being, then obviously I will be able to create a proper time schedule. And as if I have prepared my own time schedule, so it's my duty and responsibility to go through it and to work accordingly. Then only I will be able to work accordingly to my time schedule. And what will happen? The impact will be I will be able to save my time. I will be able to utilize my time in a proper manner, and I will be able to figure out that yeah, now it's this time, according to my time schedule, I'm having my this work, so I can overlook it. instead of
Exactly.
over Instead of overlooking, I will have to do the work in its own respective time. It's very much important. That's it.
Yeah, well said, Sayan. After that, if you have that, just whatever you said, if you have that goal, definitely we should maintain our time. We should follow our timetable, and that too, a lot of like quotes are there, like based on timetable. Time is precious than gold. If you waste our time, it will not come back. If you like lost our money, then we will earn. If you waste our money, if you lost our like no time, that time will not come in our life.
And one quote is very much famous, that time and tide wait for none.
Yeah,
Once you lost the time, you will never, if you will cry also, if you will
exactly.
cry also, if you will hit your head in any wall, then also that that past time, the time will not be able to come in your life, that has already passed. So never ever lose your time. Whatever the time you are having now, try to utilize your time in a proper way, so that one day you will be able to say proudly that I have been able to save my time in a very much proper way. I have been able to utilize my time in a very much creative way, in a very much productive way. That is most important thing.
Exactly, Sayan. Yeah. Thank you. Friends, please follow your timetable and no reach your goal. And I hope for that, fingers crossed for your bright future. Okay, don't waste your time and learn something, improve you. Like no, be a unique person. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you, Sayan. And like it's over time. Like we will discuss a lot of time. We have no time, but like a time schedule is there. And thank you so much, Faryan, to be a part of in my YouTube channel again and again. And
yeah.
I hope you love our conversation. Please like and share and comment on my video, and please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the all bell button. Then only you will get my notifications. Okay. Yeah, thank you and have a great day to you all. Yeah.
जी
Bye bye, Sayed. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Yeah, let's catch up with another video. Bye. Bye for now. Have a great day to you all.